there's eggs in here that were lost out. So.
That's all right. We'll get them.
Is it just those two?
Loki, what's wrong?
Mom, can I eat one of the peeps?
Why don't they sit out here all night?
Happy Easter, Honk Honk. Somebody peeped our yard?
Got peeped. Oh, that one fell off. I don't know what KJ is doing.
You all right in there, son?
Back in.
That's what you had to go get was a blanket?
I was cold, but yeah.
Stand by the peeps here, right here. I don't want to get my car, so get over this way in the yard.
Yeah, stand on the other side of them. The peeps.
That's all right, I got them.
All right, go for it. See if the Easter bunny came. Ooh, KJ missed the ones right on the car behind him. Dun, dun, dun.
They're still squishy.
Eat them. I dare you. Pull it out like a kebab. Mmm. Outside all night peeps. And Lokeford, he's crying. He gets no peeps. Here it is. The day of Jesus' bachelor party. He gets no peeps.
Erection day.
Hey, that's just naughty talk.
These are actually kind of good.
You guys are getting slow in your old age. I got Easter egg hunting video of you guys running.
Well,
KJ's just complaining about bending over.
This is going to be the longest Easter egg hunt video ever. Look at behind Sissy's truck.
I'll come back for those peeps.
What year is it? Huh?
2022.
What was it?
2022.
2022?
What about peep stick?
No, I don't want your peep stick.
Alright.
Watch out, there's an owl in that tree right behind you.
What?
He'll get you, watch out. Oh, you're lucky. Yard peeps.
What?
Still haven't seen KJ yet. Really not too sure what the hell he's doing back there.
Oh! Oh! No! Come on, dude.
Hey, Lokeford, get those Easter eggs up there. Come on, get up there and get them. Oh, there he is.
Yo, give me slack.
Yeah, boy, ain't right. Hey, what about the one that was right next to the one you just picked up? Oh, man, you just got burned. Remember,
How are you seeing these? I am. Yo, I found this one.
if there's any eggs with money in them, you guys just leave them on the counter for me.
Oh, okay, so you
Okay.
take your egg, your money one. Yeah.
Watch out for that owl, dude.
Yet, son?
Yeah, I got
He'll get you.
Your money one? The golden egg? Golden juice egg?
Okay, KJ, get over there by Cambry.
Hold on, let me get my
Yo, I found a frog.
Let me get my peep okay.
Oh. You get the one on the owl. I'll get one on my frog. Because this is my frog.
Here, throw this away.
Jeez. Throw it away now. Cam's too busy to throw it away, goddammit.
Yeah, I'm getting my peep okay.
My peep bouquet.
Hey guys, come over here. Oh, you're getting other peeps. I gotcha.
Eggs up there.
Fine then. No one's going to take my owl. No one's going to take the owl. I'll just take it.
Why don't you just jump right over the dog gate
No.
and get the other ones?
What's that? What?
There's 3 or 4 up there.
All right, get over there by your sister so Mom can take a picture with all your stuff. But, yep, someone take that thing from your mother. There you go.
Well, wait,
Happy-
come this way.
Happy Easter, Honk Honk.
Yeah, well, just on my car and get the tree in the background, not the car.
Wait.
at me.
None of them are dirty.
They're dirty. Dirty peeps.
Dirty peeps. Okay, you want to come around because there's still about 4